here, and honestly, I'm not sure whether to be excited or deeply concerned. This season on Cybercrime Junkies, we're unleashing full-blown chaos. And I mean chaos. Real spies, actual double agents, AI behaving like it needs therapy, and cyber stories so freaking ridiculous you'll swear we made them up, but nope, humanity really is that reckless. We've got interviews that feel like Netflix rejected them for being too real, AI demos that absolutely should not work, but somehow do, and educational moments sprinkled between all of us wondering, how are people still falling for this? If you're a cybersecurity pro, a business leader, or just someone who enjoys watching digital dumpster fires from a safe distance, congratulations. This season is genetically engineered for you. New episodes every week, more games, more audience trolling, participation. More cyber insanity wrapped in storytelling your compliance department definitely won't approve. Welcome to Season 8. Let the chaos begin. This is Cybercrime Junkies. This is Cybercrime Junkies. Let's get started. Breaking news. The Supreme Court is now deciding whether the internet will be shut down for millions of Americans. In a world where people won't pay $1.29 for a pop song, a billion-dollar battle has erupted. Sony Music versus Cox Communications, a case so insane it's now sitting in front of the United States Supreme Court. The accusation? That Cox willfully contributed to 10,017 illegal song downloads. And I thought Napster was gone, except for that bootleg server I have right there over in the corner. You heard that right. Your cool uncle who still downloads bootleg music may have triggered a legal earthquake. Leaked emails show a Cox manager defiantly writing, F the DMCA, a line worthy of a documentary called When Bad Decisions Become Federal Court Evidence. Google and X have rushed to Cox's defense, warning that if platforms are held liable for what users do, the internet, as we know it, could be throttled back into oblivion. The Supreme Court won't rule until summer, which means there's still time for millions of Americans to download malware disguised as that one bootleg Taylor Swift song they swear they can't find anywhere. This is the true crime story of digital crime, corporate defiance, and the Supreme Court deciding whether your Wi-Fi survives the summer. For more info like this, follow us at cybercrimejunkies.com.